Here I have REALME C25s, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and now can't even unlock your device. In a case like that, firstly you have to turn off your Realme, wait until it turns off completely, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and the sign recovery mode appears here at the bottom, that means that you can let go of all keys and wait until the next menu appears. In this menu you have to firstly select English and then wipe data and then format data, then enter verification code which you will see here. Tap format, and after a few seconds all the data from your Realme will be removed, including your password, and the device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.